10 health benefits of daily yoga apply. 1. Fortify flexibility, force, and posture. Day-to-day yoga practice will help stretch and tone your physique muscle tissue. Standard poses like the plank will concurrently work on strengthening your fingers, legs, shoulders, and abs. You don't have to be super bendy to follow yoga. The great thing about yoga is that it can be practiced at all phases of capability. A couple of minutes a day working towards poses like the warrior or the downward going through canine will soon make you quite believe the change on your flexibility, whether or not you're lovely bendy already or now not. 2. Higher all-round health. When thinking of improving your health, most of us suppose of huffing and puffing away at the gymnasium. However, weights are usually not the only strategy to figure out. Yoga gives you all that a gym can, but in a peaceable, reliable, and more holistic method. It combines points of cardio, practical, and strength training multifunctional. What more would you ask for? The nice phase about this exercise is that it can be executed at your possessed PM for your own house. 3. Weight loss. You don't must follow scorching yoga or be in a position to bend double in a yoga pose to reduce weight. An everyday gentle yoga follow will fuel the metabolic process and will support burn fats, leading to weight loss. Everyday yoga might also support fix the hormonal balance for your body, which can normalize your physique weight. Phases of cortisol, the hormone that's launched in response to stress and low blood glucose concentration, will be reduced, leading to much less overeating. Day-to-day yoga additionally strengthens the overall intellect-physique connection and helps you deal more effectively with unpleasant emotions alternatively than accomplishing for meals to suppress those emotions. 4. Increase your vigor. Just a few minutes of yoga every day will furnish the lot-needed energy boost in our busy lives and will maintain us contemporary for longer. Yoga, with its particular synergy of body and breath work, is ideal when your reserves are running low. Everyday yoga follow will awaken the main vigor centers, called chakras, in our body. Pleasant poses for added power are those that prolong the spine, such because the tree pose, permitting power to circulate during the entire physique, and poses that open the chest, just like the cobra pose, encouraging the consumption of extra breath. 5. Reduce stress. Many workplaces now present lunchtime yoga periods on the grounds that it can be proven that yoga is a potent stress buster. Any yoga follow, even a brief everyday one, must be made of 3 factors: poses, respiratory, and meditation. Reviews have proven that those men and women who often apply all 3 factors are higher ready to keep watch over their heart price variability, HRV. This almost always implies that their heart price is / giving physique the capacity to respond to emphasize in a more flexible method. Are you dealing with a lot of stress that it is preserving you wakeful at night time? Studies have proven that training everyday yoga can cut back and even entirely avoid insomnia. When experiencing insomnia, follow stress-free asana or postures, similar to a head fold, uttanasana, or lying in your again together with your feet up the wall. Enjoyable yoga poses such because the forward fold or mendacity to your again along with your toes up the wall can calm both your physique and mind. 6. Breathe better. Breathing deeply and flippantly is an essential part of each yoga follow. Yogic respiratory strategies, known as pranayama, center of attention on looking to gradual down the breath and on breathing thoroughly from the pit of your stomach to the highest of your lungs. These methods will make you suppose more comfy and balanced and can support you face the day with confidence and calm. Additionally, they have some best aspect advantages including accelerated lung capability and more tidal volume, the whole amount of air your lungs can maintain at some one time, which you could adopt these systems each time needed in everyday life. They are able to aid you keep calm in emergency circumstances, believe clearer in demanding circumstances, and they may be able to support curb ache. 7. Be happier. Adding just a few yoga poses to your everyday pursuits could make you an emotionally more advantageous and happier individual. A recent B-Train has shown that training ordinary yoga and meditation outcome in greater serotonin levels, the happiness hormone. The identical are taught confirmed that lengthy-term yoga practitioners have more mass in the areas of the brain associated with contentment. A different B-taught has proven that the mind's gamma-aminobutyric GABA phases are better after practicing yoga. Greater GABA levels are associated with shrink levels of despair and anxiety. To position it without problems, just 15 minutes of yoga a day can start altering your brain chemistry and improving your temper. 8. Turn out to be more aware. Yoga and mindfulness go hand in hand. When working towards yoga, you'll shift your consciousness to the sensations, ideas, and emotions that accompany a given pose. That attention will deliver the intellect again to the present moment, the predominant aim of mindfulness, where it will probably keep happy and centered. Working towards mindfulness has lasting bodily and psychological advantages which can be vary a lot in keeping with the benefits of yoga. You will suppose more calm and cozy, and no more stress and anxiousness. You will experience higher stages of vigor and enthusiasm and more self-belief and self-acceptance. 9. Enhance concentration and feel clearer. Yoga poses and meditation require you to concentrate on your breathing. This system of gazing your breath calms your intellect and makes you more mentally cozy. Accordingly, of this intellectual stability, you can ready to recall and continue extra understanding. Meditating for just a few minutes in the morning can influence in better awareness for the duration of the day. By using decreasing mental stress and bodily anxiety, we are equipped to don't forget less difficult and have more organized thoughts. Elevated cognitive function happens once we are ready to clear our minds and refresh. From a location of peace and calm, we are capable to make use of our mental services more effectually. Total. By using decreasing mental stress and physical tension through everyday yoga, you will be able to be in a position to suppose sharper and have extra organized ideas. 10. Reside longer. As you now be aware of, daily yoga will support you expand your degree of fitness, keep an eye on your heartbeat, curb your stress levels and make you a happier person. All these factors could add priceless years to your life. It's also identified that yoga decreases the chance of coronary heart disease, and it reduces the PM of your respiratory, which has been immediately linked to an extended lifespan. Recent reports have proven that the meditation aspect of yoga would aid extend the approach of aging by protecting the telomeres caps on the end of our chromosomes, too.